we will visit many strange animals brought here from the four corners of the earth. First, we enjoy a chuckle with that jolly soul, the laughing hyena. Pardon me. Have you heard the one about the old hen who was sitting on her nest? And what happened? Here, we see the heavily armored rhinoceros. And from the cold wastelands of the Antarctic, we find that lovable little bird, the penguin. South for the winter? Oh, my! The penguins escaped! Help, help! The penguins escaped! Help! And now, Clyde, you understand, we're sending you south to bring back a penguin. Yes, sir. And mind you, Clyde, if you fail, you lose your job! Have I made myself clear? Yes, sir. Carry on, knucklehead. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a penguin? Here, penguin, penguin. Come on, chicken. Come to Clyde. Here, penguin. A penguin! How would you all like a great big fish? I'll have to slow this boy up. Yum, yum. Nice candy. Would y'all like some? No, stupid. You're supposed to swallow them. Like this. Get it? You swallow them, see? Goodness, I'm not supposed to eat candy. 2,700 calories is too much. But I'll try it. Just this once. Peppermint! Oh, how I love peppermint! This requires strategy. It takes a penguin to catch a penguin. I've got you. package from Clyde. My word, a giant penguin. I'm not a penguin, sir. It's me, Clyde. Good heavens, he talks. Let me out of here. I tell you, I'm not a penguin. I'm Clyde.
Say something, Mr. Penguin.
Oh, get lost, will you?
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.